Hey guys, welcome back. This is how to integrate ManyChat with Instagram. So guys, first just simply go ahead and go to the settings over here on the left side of the screen. And now once you are on the settings, in order for you to integrate your Instagram, you can just simply go to the channels over here and click on Instagram. And now from here, just simply click on connect over here. And after that, just simply click on go to Instagram over here. And after that, just simply sign in into your account. And now once you have signed in, just simply click on allow over here. And after that, you should be able to integrate your Instagram with ManyChat. So guys, there you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, just simply comment down below. And thanks for watching. See ya.